Shri Guru Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see Mathematics Class 10 in the Circles chapter. We have already seen in the first video about first 3 questions. Now from 4th question. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. So here diameter is PQ and we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. It is right first given. Given is PQ is diameter of circle with center O. And what else is given? They have given 2 tangents, right? AB and CD are 2 tangents which meet the circle at P and Q respectively. This is what is given in the question. And we are going to prove that these 2 tangents are parallel. That is, AB is parallel to CD. And already we have learned in the previous theorem that when OP is the radius, right, and AB is the tangent, we know that it makes 90 degree with the radius makes 90 degree with the tangent. Similarly here OQ is the radius and CD is the tangent, and OQ will be perpendicular to CD, which makes 90 degree. You can observe these 2 angles. Angle P, that is OPB, and angle OQC are alternate angles, right? When the alternate angles will be equal, when the lines are parallel, the alternate angles will be equal. So let us write proof. So from that we can write, since the alternate angles are equal, we can write the 2 lines are parallel. Proof. Angle OPB equal to 90 degree and angle OQC equal to 90 degree. Why these 2 are equal to 90 degree? Because the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular, which means makes 90 degree. Perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. So I have explained here, that is angle OPB is equal to angle OQC equal to 90 degree. So both these angles are equal now. So when we compare these 2, this implies angle OPB equal to angle OQC. Now we know these 2 angles are alternate angles. So since alternate angles are equal, AB is parallel to CD. So we have used a theorem statement and we have proved that alternate angles are equal and said that AB is parallel to CD. We can also prove OPA, that is this side angle, equal to OQD. Both are 90 degree again, right? So again alternate angles are equal. So AB is parallel to CD. Shall we go for next question? Next question, prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to the circle passes through the center. So they have given that OP is perpendicular to the tangent AB. But what is that we have to prove is that OP line which passes through the center point O. So we are going to just assume contrary that there is an center M, and I am going to construct a line such that MP is also perpendicular to AB and prove whether it passes through the center or not. So let me write given first. Given is a circle with center O, a circle with center O, and a tangent is given, right? And a tangent AB touch the circle or meets the circle at P. And what is that we have to prove? We have to prove a line perpendicular, right? A line perpendicular on AB at P passes through the center point O. Okay, a line which is perpendicular, that is which makes 90 degree on this line AB at this point P. I have to prove that it passes through O. So let me give a construction. So I am going to consider a point M. Construction and tell that MP is perpendicular to AB. MP perpendicular to AB. Now let us write proof. So since I have considered this is perpendicular, angle MPB will be equal to 90 degree, right? By construction, I have considered that it is perpendicular. Let it be 1. And what about angle OPB? OPB is also 90 degree, right? Because they have given in the question angle OPB equal to 90 degree. Let this be 2. When I compare these two, MPB and angle OPB, both are equal, right? On the right hand side, it is 90 degree. But look into the diagram. OPB covers this full angle, where MPB is a part of OPB. So definitely it cannot be equal. So what we are going to do is, when I compare this 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, angle MPB is equal to angle OPB. But when we look into this diagram, no, here is a center O, here is P point and here is B. And we have constructed a line from here M. When you observe here, OPB is this complete full angle. MPB is a part of the angle, right, from OPB. So which cannot be equal. So which is impossible, right? Which is impossible because angle MPB is a part of angle OPB. Then when this will happen? This will happen only if OP and OM coincides. So it is possible only, if OP and OM, OP and MP, OP and we have considered the point is M only, right? So MP coincides with each other. OP and MP coincides. So therefore, the perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact passes through the center. So what does we prove? I will explain once again. We have just drawn a circle And they said that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to the circle passes through the center. So we have to prove that this line, perpendicular line, passes through the center. So I have considered a point M and I have given a construction that MP is perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular means it makes 90 degree. And in the question they have given perpendicular at the point of contact. So OP is also perpendicular to AB. So both of it makes 90 degree with the tangent AB, right? So MPB and OPB makes 90 degree. But when we look into the diagram, MPB is a part of OPB. So definitely it cannot be equal, right? So when this is possible, only if OP line and MP line coincide with each other, it is possible. So therefore, there is only one center O and this OP passes through O. Next question. The length of tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of a circle is 4. So see here they have given the length of tangent is 4 and distance from the center is 5. Okay, this is the external point O and length tangent is PA, right? So PA is 4, from center to that point is 5 cm and we have to find out the radius OP. And we know, right, OP is 90 degree. OP makes 90 degree with the tangent PA. Answer. Angle OPA equal to 90 degree. Why this is equal to 90 degree? Because by the theorem 10.1, that is the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Through the point of contact. So when we look into the triangle OPA, so in triangle OPA, angle P is equal to 90 degree. So going to use Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse, so the side which is opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. So OA square will be equal to OP square plus PA square. What is the value for OA? OA is 5 centimeter, right? So 5 centimeter equal to OA is 5 centimeter. Just substitute instead of OA 5. 5 square equal to, going to find radius, so OP square as such, and PA square is given as 4. So 4 square. 5 square is 25. 4 square is 16, right? So OP square plus 16. When you bring 16 to other side, 25 minus 16 equal to OP square. 25 minus 16 is 9 equal to OP square. When we to find out OP, square root of 9 equal to OP. So plus or minus 3 equal to OP. Therefore, the radius is equal to 3 centimeter because radius will not be in negative. Let us see next question. So two concentric circles are of radii 5 and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the largest circle which touches the smaller circle. So two concentric circles. What is concentric circles? Circles with same center but radii will differ. That is what is concentric circles. So here they have given two concentric circles, one with radius 3 centimeter. You can see OP 3 centimeter. And other one with radius 5 centimeter. OA is 5 centimeter. So for both the circle, center point is O only the radius differ. That is what is concentric circle. We have to find out the length of the tangent length of the chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So here AB is the chord of the larger circle and it touches the smaller circle at the point P. Right? Now first let us write what is given. So they have given, let AB be a chord of the larger circle. Which touches the smaller circle at P. Right? Now, so already OP and OA we have joined and the radius they have given is 3 and 5. We have to find out the length of AB. Now here we know this angle is 90 degree, right? Why it is 90 degree? Because angle between the tangent and radius through the point of contact is 90 degree. So angle OPA equal to 90 degree because angle between tangent and radius through the point of contact. Right? Angle between tangent and radius through the point of contact is 90 degree. Through the point of contact. Now look into the triangle. In triangle OPA, angle P is equal to 90 degree. So by using Pythagoras theorem, the hypotenuse square will be equal to sum of squares of other two sides. So OA square will be equal to OP square plus AP square. So we know that OA square is 5 and OP square is 3. So instead of OA square, 5 square equal to 3 square plus AP square. 5 square 25 equal to 3 square is 9 plus AP square. So 25 minus 9 is equal to AP square. 16 equal to AP square. So square root of 16 equal to AP. So AP will be plus or minus 4. So length of the chord will be in positive only, right? So AP is equal to 4. So we have found one part, right? We have found what is AP. I need to find the length of the chord which is AB. Here you can see a perpendicular line, right? We have learnt in 9th standard theorem. The perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. What is bisect? It divides it into two equal halves. When AP is 4 centimeter, PB also will be 4 centimeter. So what is the length of the chord now? 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. So let us recall and write the statement. The perpendicular from the center of the circle, from the center of a circle to a chord bisects the chord. So the perpendicular from the center of a circle to the chord bisects the chord, which means it divides the chord into two equal halves. So here we have written, actually this is our chord, right? Here A, B is the chord and it perpendicular from here, from the center O, this is perpendicular. So these two parts will be equal. That is AP equal to BP. Already we have found AP value as 4, so both is equal to 4 centimeter. Now I need to find the length of the chord only. So I have to find what is AB. AB can be written as AP plus BP. Both the values is 4. So 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the length of the cord equal to 8 centimeter. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button. You will get the latest updates. Thank you.